everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my first baking tutorial video. Today I'm going to be making French macarons and I will be following Martha Stewart's French macaron recipe. So let's get started. So first you want to start with 2 large egg whites that have been left out for like an hour or so that they, are at room temperature. Put it in your bowl and whisk. And when they become foamy like that, that's when you want to add your cream of tartar right here. So just sprinkle, I want to say like a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and then you turn on your mixer and then you will mix it again until soft peaks form, and then that's when we're going to add the granulated sugar. So this is what you're looking for when I say soft peaks, it looks fluffy, and then this is the time that you want to add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar while the mixer is on, but add it slowly. You're going to let this mix on high speed for about 8 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes until stiff peaks form. So this is what it looks like when stiff peaks have formed. And this has been beating on high for about 6 minutes, and this is the time that you want to add vanilla or any liquid flavoring that you want to add. So I'll usually add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of flavor. I'm going to add vanilla right now as it's mixing. So now for my dry ingredients, I just put 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and 2/3 cups of almond meal or almond flour, and I'm just gonna pulse it a few times so that we get the clumps out and make sure it's nice and fine. That should be good. Then you want to put it through a sifter.
When will you be mine? Tell me quando.
And then at this time I'm also going to add my flavoring, my additional flavoring, which is coffee, instant coffee, Starbucks, and this is the medium roast. So I'm going to add about like 2 teaspoons, just to get I'm not adding all of it, I'm adding most of it but not all of it. And then I'm just gonna sift it onto my egg white batter, a little bit at a time, and then you fold it all in like this. So this is what it looks like when it's, ready and combined well. That's the consistency that you are looking for right there. Now you want to transfer it into the piping bag.
quando, quando, quando say it's me that you adore, and then darling tell me when. Oh my darling, tell me when.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miens en rire, qui se perce sa bouche, voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel je partiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parlait tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque.
So after you finish piping it, you want to just tap it onto the countertop. Right now I have a cloth on there because Sam, my daughter, is taking a nap. So we want to make as little noise as possible, but we want to get those air bubbles out.
De l'homme auquel je partiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parlait tout bas, je vois la vie en rose.
So after you're done letting all the air bubbles out, you want to let these sit for at least 30 minutes so that they dry. And then at this time, you can set your oven temperature. Mine is a regular oven, it's not a convection oven. So I set mine to around 330 degrees. It says 325, but sometimes that doesn't work. So I would go between 325 to 330. You have to probably do a couple of tries before you figure out your oven. Sometimes I've even done 332, 333, but 330 is a good temperature. So I'm gonna let these dry for now. So here they are after I've taken them out of the oven. I'm just gonna let these cool now. After these have cooled, you just wanna take them off of the mat, which they should come off pretty easily, like that. And then I made the Swiss meringue buttercream frosting because it is a nice complement to the coffee. So it's kind of like having coffee with cream, and it's just plain. And all you want to do is take your macaron, like this.
Des nuits d'amour à plus finir, un grand bonheur qui prend ses pas, les enrouler,
And sandwich them together like that. And there you have it.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parlait tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon jeu.
So there you have it. That's how you make these wonderful little cookies. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!